Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. You know, it's Rush the Discovery Boss. So today we are on Hope Road, right outside of Campion College. We basically just doing an update on a property that we did a coverage for about 6 months ago. So we're just doing an update. If you're new to the channel, guys, welcome, and definitely subscribe for more content. Subscribing is completely free. Turn on your notification bell as well so that once a video is posted, you guys will be alerted. Like, comment, and share as well. That will go a far way in having the video, being shown to new persons on YouTube. And to all the persons who are always watching, thanks for your support. Thanks for always watching. And if you guys want to donate to the channel, the link is in the channel description as well. We have PayPal and other banking info. So we have a few business places over that side. We have Treasure House right there, and a few other, I can't see the names clearly, but I see Elite Gamers and a Beauty Parlor. Right here we have Designed by Diva. I think that's a beauty store and clothes as well. And I think this is a little, a smaller type office complex. Alright, so let's get closer to the property we're checking out today, guys. Alright, so we have the paint shop over this side, and Bridget Sandals, very popular for female sandals. They have a big name in the street. And right behind me is Crystal Hotel, which I'll show you guys a glimpse of quickly or real soon. Alright, so we know we're still in the coronavirus time. Hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys are staying inside, staying sanitized, going outside unless absolutely, only going outside if absolutely necessary. And hope everybody's, staying inside with their family. So that's the construction we're looking at. It's a business complex. Started a few months ago, probably 6 months. You have Alright, so that's the property we're looking at today. It's a business center. Different businesses will occupy. So it's a commercial development. Then up this side we have Liguanea and Sovereign. And then in this direction we have Half a Tree. And over this side we have Crystal Villa. Alright, for this property I think they'll be going up to 5 floors. Not 100% certain, but if you guys have any details, let me know. I haven't seen any pictures either of the final project, so if you guys have any pictures, any further details, definitely share in the comment section. It's being developed by Issa Construction. So it's being developed as a commercial space as well. Very good location, close to Liguanea. close to a lot of other businesses. Alright, so this is our video update for today. So we're on Oak Road, Issa Construction, business development, commercial development. Alright, so I'm going to bring you guys a bit closer, show some more details. Alright, so they're also right next to Chilitos, a popular Mexican restaurant. I think they're closed now because of the coronavirus. So most of the fancy restaurants are closed. You know, persons can't gather over 10 people. So I know a lot of industries being impacted by the virus situation, and restaurant industry is definitely one of them. You know, some persons at home, you know, feel like they're losing their mind, you know, due to the fact that they can't go out much and not a lot of recreation and other, you know, fun places are open. But it's for the safety of everyone, guys. So stay home, stay inside, stay sanitized, stay safe. And when all this is over, let's ensure we can, you know, see all our friends and family, and there's no one missing. So it's for everybody's good. We have to take control of the virus, and once this phase is over, then, you know, we'll go back to normal. When will all this be finished? I don't know, but let's stay positive, and as best as I can, I'll continue bringing these content to you guys, so you guys can see what's happening. And, you know, while inside, I have something to watch as well. Over there is the Total Petroleum head office, and then another apartment complex beside Crystal Villa. Alright guys, so remember to leave a comment, remember to like and share the video, and if you're new, subscribe. Subscribing is free. Trying to get through to 3,000 subscribers. Alright, so if you've reached this far, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all your support, and definitely stay tuned for that next video. Just showing you guys a sneak peek. Alright, so that was just a sneak peek through the fence, guys. Don't think it's much, but they do have, you know, 1 or 2 floors on the ground based on their design.